Think hard and tell me what we'll do. Think and tell me what we'll do. Yes, taking common what? What should I take common? Yes, from where? So write down. Taking A, B, C as common factor from row 1, row 2 and row 3 respectively. Okay? So it becomes what? If I take out A, B, C, so what do I get? This becomes minus A, B, C, then A minus B, C, then A, B minus C. Then tell me what do you do? Then what do you do? Again we can take out A, B, C common, yes or no? From C1, C2, C3, huh? So taking out A, B, C from C1, C2, C3 respectively. Okay, clear? So it becomes what? So it becomes A square, B square, C square, and this becomes minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Clear? Now tell me what do we do? Now what do we do? Now, yes, we'll get 0. So what will be my operation? What will be my operation?
R row 1 plus.
What? Look at here, I will keep my row 1 intact. Why I will keep my row 1 intact? Because it's negative. So what I will do? I will do what? R2 implies R2 plus R1. Yes or no? And in the same step, I will do R3 implies R3 plus R1. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Always keep the problem. I don't have to subtract. Now I will just have to add, because subtraction is complication. Addition is easy. So it becomes what? R1 element will remain same. This one becomes what? Tell me fast.
0.
Then?
0.
Oi. 2. Then?
0. 2, 0.
Yes. Let us expand now. Now you see 2 zeros, right? 2 zeros in row in column 1. Let us expand along column 1. Tell me what you get. If I expand along column 1, what do I get? I see minus sign. Then 0, 2, 2, 0, right? So what is that? So what do we get? Minus 1. 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. So how much is that? Minus minus is plus. So 4a square, b square, c square. Understood? Yes. Acha. Now let's do this one. Tell me, how will I do this one? Now listen very, very carefully. Whenever we see 1, 1, 1, okay? Understood? The first thing that comes to my mind is try to get 0, 0. Okay, it's very, very easy. So I can directly do what? This minus this. Understood?
Yes.
So I will try to get zeros, other elements as zeros. So tell me what will be my operation? Achha, let's write this one in my that portion. So here we have 1, 1, 1. What was that?
A
A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. And we have to prove what? A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, right? So tell me my operations, tell me my operation. My first operation will be, tell me fast. Now you see we have to get A minus B, right? Understood? Clear? Now if I do A minus B, I will do R1 minus R2. Yes or no? R1 minus R2. Now the next one what I will do is, you see, which one? R2 minus R3. I told you what R2 we already used, so I will do R3 implies R3 minus R2. Don't ever forget this one. Okay, the row which I already used, I cannot use that row again. Clear? Now let's do it fast. So what do you get? R1 minus R2. So this minus this. This is 0. A minus B. A square minus B square. Right?
Yes, sir.
R2 element will remain same. 1 B square. Now this R3 element will be what? R3 minus R2, right? So it will become 0.
0.
Then
A minus
C minus B, then C square minus B square. Yes or no? Now tell me what you will do next. What you will do next? Acha, one thing. From looking at here, can you take anything common? A square minus B square is actually what? A square minus B square is what? A minus B into A plus B, right? So we have A minus B inside this one. So we can take out A minus B from row 1. Yes or no? Huh?
yes, sir.
So taking out A minus B as common factor from row 1. Now look at here another one. Look at this one. Again, we have C minus B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So taking out C minus B as common factor from row 3. So let us see what we have. So we have what is equal to A minus B, C minus B, and we get what? Tell me one by one. What do you get? 0, then what? 0, then 1, then
A plus
this one will remain same. Tell me this one. 0, then
0, 1,
then
C plus
So now tell me what will be my next operation. Tell me fast.
expand
Expand. Yeah. Yes, right. Expand. So expand along what?
C1
Wait a second. Let me make a maths paper. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Where did it go? Wait a second. Yeah. So expand along C1, right? So we'll do. Oh, you cannot see, right? So expanding along C1. So C, what do you get? So first thing I'll write A minus B, C minus B. If I C1 we expand, so what do you get? Tell me. What do you write? 1.
minus
Yes, minus 1. Then
1
hmm?
B 1
1.
1
Hmm. Okay. So let's see what you have. A minus B, C minus B, and this one is how much? Minus of, multiply this one, C plus B. Achha, let's remove this bracket. this one will put third bracket. This minus sign is there, and 1 into c plus b is c plus b, right? Minus of a plus b.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see what you have. A minus b, c minus b. Acha, this one is how much? Minus of, what you are getting? C plus b, c plus b, minus a minus b. Okay,
C.
so this one gets cancelled. It's cancelled means it will go away completely. Okay, yes or no? My god, they are going away. So forget it, it's cancelled, right? Yes or no? So what I get? A minus b, c minus b, and this is what? C minus a, right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So minus, if I multiply inside, minus if I multiply it inside, it will become a minus c. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everything going away. So if I minus c, minus minus is plus a. Now in the given question, what is that? The question is what? Question is a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a. This is my question, right? But we are getting what?
Yes.
A minus b, c minus b, a minus c. So these two are opposite sign, right? Clear?
Yes.
So what I will do is, I will take minus from here. Actually, we don't require a step like this. So if I take minus from here, so what do you get? If I take minus from here, so it becomes what? B minus c, right?
Yes.
And if I take minus from here, it becomes what? C minus a. And this minus minus becomes what?
Yes.
My god. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's how we get to the answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this one is finished. This one will be homework. Okay. Let's do the last question of the day. Question number 9. My god, low battery signal is there. So let's do fast. Okay? Clear? Question number 9. So we have to write this question fast. So we have, tell me fast, question fast. X, Y, Z, then what do we have?
X square, Y square,
Done? Wait. Don't run so fast. My god, this got hanged because of that battery thing.